So thank you, Julie, for joining this one-to-one call.
Good evening,
Welcome.
ma'am.
Good
Yeah,
evening. Good evening. So, Julie, you're from which place? Which city?
yeah. Let me introduce myself, ma'am.
Yes,
Like I'm
please.
Julie.
Hmm.
I have two sons. Both are very naughty but smart enough, guys. And
Hmm.
I'm a housewife.
Hmm.
Husband is working for a networking company.
Hmm.
And currently, we four are in Coimbatore. We stay at Coimbatore, ma'am, Tamil Nadu.
Coimbatore. Huh.
Yeah. We
What's the
actually shifted
kids'
from
ages?
Chennai. We
Nice.
recently,
I
like
see.
3 years back, we shifted from Chennai. We were in Chennai. Now,
I
due to
see.
my husband's job, we have shifted to Coimbatore.
Okay. So, children are going to school here and they're
Yeah,
settled.
one is 5 years old, ma'am. The younger is
Huh.
3 years. So only
Huh.
one boy we have joined them in here in
Okay.
Coimbatore. Next year I'll be joining my younger one also.
Okay. Now classes are going on or
No,
holidays
ma'am, yet to
started?
start. Like
Yet to start.
June 1st, I think the online classes will start again for it.
I see. Okay. And what do? You're a homemaker. You were working earlier, right?
Yeah, ma'am, I was working for a bank, ma'am. Like 10 years I was working for a bank.
Hmm.
Due to, for kids' sake, I have resigned my job last year only.
Hmm.
No one's
Hmm.
take care of my kids, so I need to take care. So I quit
Hmm.
my job.
Hmm. Hmm.
Uh, So 10 years experience I have, professional experience I have it.
Wow. Okay. So both are boys, 5-year-old and 3-year-old.
Yeah, one is Bhavin and one is Jovin.
Bhavin
Three,
Javi. Wow.
yeah.
Nice names. Lovely
Yeah.
names. Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So we met few months back. So somehow by destiny we have met. And
Yeah, ma'am.
because I'm a parenting coach and you got in touch with me and we have been interacting. Like Julie
Yeah,
is
ma'am.
my
Before
good
I
friend.
start, I would like to thank you, ma'am, because you have given me this opportunity to give a live section on parenting. I'm so happy, and I'm also happy that I'm in Zen Moms group.
I'm
So,
glad. I'm glad to
yeah,
know. Yeah, we have a community, Zen Moms Club.
yeah, that's
So
true.
every week we have interactions with more than 100 moms are there. And Julie is mentioning that. And also she has contributed a write-up, right, for the
Yeah, ma'am. One small
Parent
write
Tales
up I
book.
have.
Mention, now you
Yeah,
are
ma'am.
an author. Julie is an author.
Yeah, ma'am. So you've given us that opportunity also, ma'am. So I was so happy. We feel that you're not sitting idle at home. Rather, you're given us some importance to the parents, like
Yeah,
what
your
knowledge and
thoughts.
thing.
Yeah, your thoughts when you share with others, no, they'll appreciate, they'll enjoy
Yeah,
reading it.
I was so
That
proud
is
enough to hear that when the book was released, I
mm,
actually messaged all my friends that I have written an article with Veena ma'am's
lovely,
book. So I was so
lovely,
happy to share
lovely.
my thought, like my way of happiness to
Yeah.
others. So this.
Thank you, thank you. So for those who are watching the recording, in a very inspired moment, I got this thought that I have so many moms, so many parents in my community, like I have WhatsApp group, Facebook group. So I suddenly announced, please volunteer and contribute one write-up about your parenting journey. Because by reading that, it may resonate with some other parents, and that's how Julie has contributed a very wonderful write-up about her journey, her kids, her family. She has spoken there. So you should all read that book. Parent Tales is the book name, and it is available on Amazon. I'll leave a link below so that you all can read and enjoy. So
It
thank you
was
for
really a
sharing
great
that.
experience, ma'am. First
Yeah.
experience I have got it.
Same
Writing a
here. I
book.
also enjoyed. I really
Really.
enjoyed. I really enjoyed because
Yeah.
this is my fourth book, like compilation of articles from all moms. But out of my four books, this has given me greatest happiness and joy. I feel that energy is much more with all 21 moms together.
Yeah,
So
understood.
that was a great experience. So coming to your parenting challenges, Julie. So
Yeah, ma'am.
please do share your concerns, your queries so that
Sure.
whatever tips I can remember at this time, I'll definitely share. It may help some other mom who is watching this recording. So this will be on YouTube, Facebook, etc., all social media. Is it okay with you?
Yeah,
Fine.
ma'am. You can proceed.
Okay. That's great. That's
Yeah.
great that you have agreed for that, because what we talk here may help some mom watching the recording,
Yes.
some parent who is in a similar situation.
Sure.
So yes,
Sure,
Julie,
ma'am.
please ask me.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, for past 2 days, you've been recording. Two parents were giving you a live section. I was also
Yeah,
watching that video. The
yeah,
same way, like two boys, both the boys were so hyper. The parents were telling. Same case
correct.
for me also, ma'am. My elder
Hmm.
boy, he's always
Hmm.
an hyper. This
Hmm.
hyper has come only after the second birth of my younger son, ma'am. I have
Oh,
noticed in him. Before
okay.
that, he was so polite, he was so quiet, everything he was, because he was the first one. So no one
Hmm.
was there to, like to,
Compete.
what to say,
Hmm. Hmm.
that no other person to compare him, right? So when the younger
Ah,
one has
okay.
come, so
Hmm.
he has become hyper. So he
Hmm.
started to do lot of mischiefs.
Hmm.
So in
Hmm.
that way, I have one problem now, ma'am. Hyperactive is in many ways kids are showing it. In
Hmm.
my case, what is happening is, see, when I do a conversation with someone
Hmm.
personally, like through phone or like in person,
Hmm.
he don't allow us to talk, ma'am. He always
Hmm.
poke his nose. He always keeps on talking something.
Hmm.
He don't make us to concentrate our talk. He wants him to be concentrated much.
Oh,
So this,
okay.
whenever I say to him, this is not a good habit. See, when
Hmm.
mama is talking to someone, you need to be quiet. You have to
Hmm.
listen. But he
Hmm.
also listens he used to play somewhere, ma'am. All of a sudden
Hmm.
he comes and he pokes his nose and he always gives some comments on that, whatever, whenever we
Oh.
talk. So I feel
Hmm.
that is a bad habit for a kid of 5 years. It's not good
Hmm.
habit, right? What others will think, if what when some seriousness is we are talking, and
Very
then he
true.
comes and
Hmm.
pokes a nose. I
Hmm.
feel very irritated sometimes, ma'am. But I made him to understand when he is alone. I made him to understand, but he is
Hmm.
not able to understand. So how to come out of this situation, ma'am? Like
Okay. So this hyperactivity, is it physical activity also or only about mischief
physical
and
also he does, ma'am.
too
He
much
always
active?
scream, he runs, he jumps, he cramps,
Uh-huh.
everything he does it. He
Okay,
does.
okay. Okay, there may be combination of two things, what I analyzed from whatever you shared. Mainly the sibling came into the picture, so he's feeling insecure. Maybe that's how it all started. So he's trying to attract about negative attention, positive attention, whatever. All the time he wants parents to give attention to him. And he feels, in authority, in power when you're talking on phone, then he attracts your attention. Maybe the way you may be telling him, advising him, also feeling like attention to him. At that time he can grab your attention. Definitely parent will look at him and advise him about not to disturb. So at least he is trying to attract a lot of attention. So mainly about the sibling maybe. So have you directly spoken to him, that beta, I also love you though your brother is there,
I
something like
always,
that?
ma'am, I always, when I
Always.
go for
Hmm.
bed, I talk to
Ah,
him. What is your issue, Bhavin? Like, I used to talk to him as a friend only to him.
very
He
good.
says
Hmm.
everything.
Okay.
Sometimes he says what he has in his mind. Sometimes he
Mm-hmm.
hides many things. He don't want to hurt me, so he don't tell many things.
Okay, what
He
has he
has
told
that,
you?
yeah,
Sometimes what
yeah,
he has, what
yeah.
exactly has he told you?
No, when no, this, for this reason, I tell him not to do like poking when we am talking. It's
Okay.
not good for you, Bhavin, because the
Right.
elders are talking. You should not disturb. Then he said,
Right.
you have to listen to me, ma. Like what I'm talking, you need to listen.
Mm.
He's telling like that. He talks
Mm-hmm.
into Tamil only. He don't speak in English. He
Right, right,
tells to
right.
me in Tamil only. You have to
Mm-hmm.
listen to me, ma. When I'm also telling, you have to listen to me, right? That's why I'm
Mm-hmm.
talking in between. Like that, he
Okay.
speaks.
Okay. So he has not openly told you that I'm jealous that you are taking care of my brother,
No, no, that
something
he
like
used
that.
to tell, ma'am,
He
that you
used to
are
tell.
doing this to Jovin, like
Ah. Ah, ha,
to
ha,
his
ha.
dad. He used to tell, dad
Okay.
is taking care of Jovin only. He is not giving much importance to me. He
Ah,
is
ha,
not
ha.
giving the small, small things. He don't grasp
Ah.
much, but small, small
Okay,
things
okay.
he feels that
It is
they
there
are
in his
showing
mind.
to younger one.
Okay.
He
Surely he
feels
is
that.
thinking like that. At times that thought is
Yeah,
coming.
yeah, he feels a lot.
Okay. Okay. Now I understood the situation. So this is there. The
And this
child
was
is also
started
feeling.
actually with my in-laws, ma'am. This started
Oh.
only with my in-law because my
Ah.
mother-in-law, I don't have a father-in-law, only mother-in-law. She was here for with us for past 6 months.
Hmm.
She was taking care of my younger one. So she
Hmm.
used to feed everything for him. So she left my elder son like
Elder son.
alike. So
Ade. Ah.
he was seeing that and he got so frustrated in that when I was working for that
Mm-hmm.
last year and all, I mean to say.
Got it.
So by
Mm-hmm.
seeing that itself, he became little frustrated. From that, he
Mm.
is not able to come out now. Also, he has that
Okay.
mentality.
Okay. Okay. So last time I have suggested to give exclusive time to both the kids. So are you trying it, Julie?
Yeah,
At
ma'am.
least 10
I am.
minutes. Okay,
Yes,
good.
ma'am.
Okay, you have begun. So for his physical active, he's too active physically also. I don't know why a lot of moms are telling this. We don't understand whether because we are keeping them at home because of the pandemic situation. Like otherwise, we could have told them to go out and play and they would be exhausted. So they are trying all sorts of activities inside the house. Like I was advising in the other to other mom also. So find out some activity inside the house and engage him. It may be, a dance class online where he is physically active, whatever he likes, which can be done inside the house. Even that, that basketball we get, which we put in the backyard and play.
Yeah.
So if there is space in your home, see that. And even I suggested one game to one mom.
Yeah,
We put a
last video I was
bucket
saying
and
back and throw the balls.
throw the ball again. They'll
Yeah,
go and
yeah,
get the ball. So such kind of activity, you can also ask for suggestions in our Zen Moms Club. So physically he has to be exhausted, and that energy has to go out. That is one thing. Then check his sugar levels. So reduce sugar as much as possible, because sugar adds to hyperactivity. Okay, and
okay.
also, so for some kids this gluten-free diet works. I mean, I'm not an expert, by the way. This is the disclaimer. So just what other moms have told me, whatever they have tried for their kids and it is working, is reduce the sugar content, and gluten-free diet also. Sometimes you change and see. Actually, rice does not have gluten, because you are also a South Indian. This chapati
Yeah.
has gluten, wheat has gluten. So you can try only rice for 2 3 days and see the changes. If some sort of a change comes within 3 days or 1 week, then you can continue that. For some kids, it
Intake of
works
foods
like
and
that.
all, he does everything,
He
ma'am.
does
But
everything.
yeah,
Okay.
everything is normal for him. But what is
Okay.
happening? He don't put up weight and all. He'll be very
Hmm.
lean only. Bone weight
Hmm.
is heavy, ma'am. When he
Bone weight
beats
is it.
also, we feel that pain very much.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Like elder person beating it, the pain will be like that. The pain. So he has
Oh,
that
okay.
bone
He's
weight.
strong. He's
He
strong
is
then.
very much
Okay.
strong. Yeah.
Okay. So this
So
gluten free is meant for, okay, not from directly from the health point of view. I'm talking it will have a effect on the physical activity. Like if they're hyperactive, sometimes gluten free diet will help the kids. So you observe his physical activity when you take off the gluten items from his diet. That is one thing. Then yes, he has emotionally, this kid needs lot of reinforcement, lot of reassurance, that never say you are important than your brother. I don't advise that. I want you both to say, tell him repeatedly that you both are important. They will not accept. Initially, he is doubting that mom and dad care more for my brother. That
younger one.
feeling is
Yeah.
there in his mind. So keep on telling him. One fine day he will realize. But as parents, you have to tell him, and whatever we give, we'll give you both equally. But because he is young, he needs a bit more support of ours. Maybe I have to
Yeah,
feed
that's
him,
true.
but you are big enough. When you were so small, we were doing for you. So keep on explaining every day, at least twice, thrice. Tell him using any incident. Whenever you do something for him, tell him and do that. See, I care for you, I love you. That is why I want to do this for you. So let him understand each and every small incident. Let him understand mom is caring for me in this way. Okay. Sometimes he may be making tantrums just to test you whether they'll listen to me. This phone also, phone, you ask him, like, does he like to talk to the other person, or does he want to stop you from talking? What is it?
No, he wants me to stop talking to them.
Oh, okay, okay. Then what works with this age kids is ask their permission. For example, you are with me now. So give that importance what he needs. Tell him, see, I am talking to someone very important. So, like, for example, if his school starts, he'll come to know there is some importance for some appointment. So, at your school time, you have to sit for school. So, same way, this appointment I have taken and I have to talk to a certain person. So, will you be playing for some time so that can I go away? Take his permission. He'll feel important that when he himself has permitted, he should not object. Normally, when you know the phone call is coming, so what you are doing now is right. You are telling him later not to disturb you. At that time, do not get irritated as far as possible. I know it's difficult, so remove that pressure from your mind. In before this call, I actually told you.
Before that, this now you had this Zoom meeting last that like
Huh,
now we had no ma'am. For that
yeah.
reason also I told him now I have some meeting, so
Okay.
be quiet and you play with your younger one. But wantedly he's making the noise and he wants
Very
to
good
disturb.
point. Very, very good point. Exactly what I was about to tell you.
Yeah,
Even before we started the recording, I told you, Julie, let them be there in the background, let them make noises, no problem. I told you.
yeah, yeah.
And
That's
it is
true.
happening now, because I
You're
know.
right.
I
You're
know
right.
when mom is away, only kids want to make noise. So,
Yeah,
till
ma'am.
he is 7 years, 8 years, till he understands, till that maturity comes, don't bother. You told me in your conversation that what will that other person think? My son is here, telling not to talk. All kids are doing this at a particular age. So it's okay, whatever that other person thinks. So the solution I'll tell you. Pacify him as far as possible. Beta, I'm talking to my friend. It's a bit important. Can I speak to you after 2 minutes? That time also ask his permission. Every call, you don't know when it will come. If it is beforehand, you have decided, like you did today, you can tell him. Still, he will make noise. It's okay. It's okay. At least he'll feel mommy has given me some importance. What if someone calls you unexpectedly? Then you take the call. Then he comes and objects. Then you tell him, better another 2 minutes. Can I talk to her? And then I'll come to you. That time also tell that other person, 1 second, hold on, and tell your son, 2 minutes, I'll finish the call and I'll come to you. Or it will take 5 minutes, I'll complete the call and then I'll attend. Is it okay? At that right, that time only you ask. Because kid is intentionally doing it.
Very much,
Okay.
ma'am. I'm able to
And
feel that he is doing
in spite
intentionally.
of that, if he shouts, by chance he speaks something that other person listens, it's okay. Child is a child.
We
They
feel
also
very
have
bad,
children.
ma'am. We get embarrassed when certain things happens in front of others. What they will think. It's the way we
What they
have.
will think you can't control, Julie.
We have
This
grown
is
up
what
like
I
this.
call
They shouldn't
external
think like
pressure.
that now,
Yeah, yeah.
ma'am.
Yeah,
Obviously.
perfect. Very good question. You didn't ask a question, but that's a very valid point. What did you say? We are not grown up like this. So our childhood is different. So
Yeah,
these
that's
kids
true.
are smart kids, over smart, over demanding. Also, they have a lot of emotion. This pandemic is adding to their, clinging to their parents, dear. That
Yes,
is one more
really, ma'am.
issue. They want 200% of parents' attention, and parents themselves are so not knowing what to do, keeping them indoor the whole day. Otherwise, at least 3 4 hours they would have gone to school, and they would have had a different routine. So we have to bear with it. So what the other person thinks, kindly let go of it, and how, like, it's a process, right? Suddenly you can't change your mindset, but gradually, by consciously trying, my kid's childhood is more important. And if you get irritated and punish your child or scold your child, this child will feel bad. Again, it's a vicious cycle. Next time we will intentionally disturb you when you're home. Again, you will scold, or you will not be approving of the child. The child will feel bad. A child who is already seeking importance, he will feel pushed away. Mommy is pushing. He doesn't understand what is your priority, that the other person is having something important. He's a child, na? He doesn't know. He doesn't differentiate whether Julie is talking to Veena auntie or his father or your own mom. He doesn't know. Only thing he knows, mommy is not giving importance to me. This is the best time to irritate her, or seek her
You're
attention.
absolutely right, ma'am. He sees the time and he makes us irritate. You are
Yeah,
absolutely
he's
right.
seeking attention. He's seeking attention at that right time. He has got that modus operandi or whatever. Whenever mom is on call, I'll go and irritate her. I'll try. He's testing you. Actually, let me tell you what is going on in the child's mind. Let me test. This very moment, I want to test whether I am important to mommy or that person on the call. He's
Yeah.
actually testing you. You become a winner by being very patient. Tell him 2 minutes, I'll come back. 5 minutes, I'll come back. Still, if he does not relent, tell the other person, sorry, something happening in my home. I'll call you back. Another 1 year he'll do, 2 years he'll do. My son is
Ma'am,
now
I've been
28.
waiting, ma'am. These 2 years
My
I've been
son is
waiting.
28. I have to call him, come, we'll talk for 5 minutes. Otherwise, they are with their friends in their own world. So they'll
Yeah,
grow
I
up
understand.
now. This
Yeah,
time they
ma'am.
are
I'm
seeking
waiting
your
for the time,
attention.
ma'am. Really, I'm waiting for
It
to
will
see him
happen.
change.
It will
Yeah, ma'am.
happen, especially this pandemic situation. When this goes away, this will go away. Till then, I have already told you how to manage. Give that importance to the child. Tell him 2 minutes, 5 minutes, and as far as possible, don't bother what the other person will think. Is not the child's problem. Child is doing what he is doing. It is your problem. You have to deal with it.
Yes. Now the
Okay.
second thing is whatever
Yeah.
he is doing, my
Hmm.
younger is seeing and replicating the same thing. That's
Perfect. It
happening now.
happens. So if elder one is having good discipline, good routine, same thing younger
Obviously,
one will follow.
younger will have. This
If
guy
not,
now what
not in routine, something going out of the way, younger one
I
will
don't know
follow
how
that.
to make him come out of it. I tell him, I tell
Mm,
to my elder,
mm,
whatever you teach only, your younger also will take care. If
mm,
you're telling a bad thing, he'll also do the same thing. I used to
mm.
tell him when he's not there, I used to call him and talk to him.
Got
The
it.
same way,
Got
but
it.
now the younger is replicating. He screams, he shouts
Screaming.
too much
Mm-hmm.
nowadays. I don't know for what reasons. All of a sudden,
Mm.
both will fight and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, that's happening in now for past 2 3 months it's happening, ma'am. I don't know how to
Okay.
control this way of how to bring him back. He was a
Okay.
normal person, a normal guy,
Got
a
it.
normal kid. Now he is
Got it.
started like his brother.
Both are becoming
Yeah,
a
yeah,
team,
because of
like a
mm,
team. Like, okay, and you are
yeah,
not able
that's
to handle.
handle
Okay.
it, ma'am. Really very tough, ma'am. Nowadays
Okay.
I leave it, let them shout, I leave it for a while. But I
Mm.
feel very afraid because I stay in apartment, ma'am. Here we
Mm.
don't have even a noise, a single noise here.
Okay.
Only in my floor, in my apartment, I feel that the sound is coming out of this
Okay.
apartment. They scream
Okay.
like that. For that reason, I close the windows and all and keep, because the voice should not go out and disturb others.
Mm-hmm.
So people here are all very, what to say, ma'am, they're all posh enough and they stay at their home inside and they don't come
Okay.
out and all. So here
You're
mostly it's
concerned they should not be
very
disturbed.
much concern on that, ma'am. And the same
Uh-huh.
is now replicated by this guy also. I feel really
Uh,
very fed up.
okay. Okay. What you can do, give him more and more responsibility. Some course in the house you have to allot to him. Whatever he can do as per his age, arranging something, books, his toys, and cleaning the table, calling everyone for dinner. It becomes his responsibility. Or filling the water jug, water bottles. 5-year-old can do all that work.
Everything
Okay.
he does, ma'am. One
He
day he
does.
does, ma'am. Whatever we
Okay.
give, he does
One
one day
day.
very
Hmm.
politely. Everything he does very
Hmm.
nicely. It will be. I'll be
Okay.
very happy. To the core, I'll
Okay.
become happy. The
Okay.
next day, they start again the same thing. It's just
Okay.
happening for me. Routine. It's happening. So this
Oh,
makes my mind also very upset, ma'am. Because see, one
got it.
day he sits very quiet, talk to me very nicely. He tells whatever he feels in his mind, ma'am, to me. He
Hmm.
discusses very frankly and he tells whatever thing. This is the
Okay.
reason you don't become very
Angry.
arrogant to me. Like he tells me, you
Oh,
know, I
okay.
used to become arrogant because of this
Hmm.
noise and all. I get so tensed, ma'am,
Got
taking
it.
care of the households also. And my
Hmm.
husband always in laptop only because he has
Ah,
his own work. So
work. Hmm.
I don't know how to control my anger, to be frank. To be
Got it.
frank,
Got
that
it.
make my, sometimes I beat him very heavily. I used to sit and cry. I'm not able to
Hmm.
bear that.
I
Like I
got
am
it.
doing something wrong. Though I'm attending your
Hmm.
classes and all, I always sit and realize after doing it. But
Afterward.
when I'm
Hmm.
doing, I don't know what I'm doing it. Even sometimes
Okay.
I hit, take the chair and hit to the core, I get the anger. So I'm not able,
Accept it. Julie,
yeah,
this moment, accept it. Yes, I do hit.
that,
Accept it. It's okay. It's okay.
yeah,
After
ma'am.
that, what we need to do? After that, okay. Thank you for sharing. And daily meditation, 2 to 3 minutes. What I have told you,
And
I'll
to be
share.
frank, I'm not in the position to sit and do the meditation also. A lot
Hmm.
of
Thoughts.
things are coming into my mind, not
Okay.
disturbances are coming, not able to sit like I
External
listen to
noises or what? What are the disturbances?
some disturbances and I'm not like it's, I don't get the deep breath. So like to be frank,
Okay,
like I'm not
got it.
able to. Lot of
Very
disturbance in mind.
thank you for sharing. Many moms have the same doubt. So let me clarify today what is meditation. Meditation is ideally what people think. Let me share with you. They think it's a blank state, very peaceful, very calm, nothing can touch me. Okay, after some years of sadhana, a person will be able to reach that state very instantly. Otherwise, it takes a long time. Even if you sit for hours together, you can have few seconds of that blank state. But meditation does not mean no thoughts, no disturbing thoughts. It's okay. 1 week you practice consistently, 2 minutes, 3 minutes every day. I know moms are busy. I can't tell sit every day for half an hour. Nahi hota. Because you have children around you and you don't get time. You are taking care of the house. So what is meditation? Let me clarify to you. Then also I'll come to your son's noise problem and the younger kid following the older kid. I'll share about that also. So speaking about meditation, so it is not like a sadhana we are doing. No, we are not yogis sitting in Himalayas and trying to achieve some spiritual enlightenment. It is not for that purpose. What they do, what I am suggesting to moms is to find your own inner peace. At least 2 3 minutes, you will feel I am peaceful. I am not attending to anything else. As a mom, you are playing multiple roles. So that 2 3 minutes, you just be very calm, sitting in one place, concentrating on your breath. So lot of thoughts will come. So I don't say thoughts should not come. Thoughts will come. Let them come. Let them come and pass through you. For example, it is coming from this side and going through you, passing through. The moment one thought leaves, another thought will come because we are human beings. They will come. And as you practice by 1 week, 10 days, 15 days, what will happen? Let me tell you. Thoughts will still come, they will reduce. For example, in 3 minutes, if you get 500 thoughts, for example, from next week, it will reduce to 450 thoughts, maybe. So, number of thoughts will reduce. So, gradually, it's a practice to build upon. By some time you will be okay with sitting quiet, because you know why this happens. Your mind is working so fast, on a fast pace all the time. Physically also you are very active. You are a mom taking care of kids, so many work in the house. Suddenly, if I ask you to sit still for 3 minutes, you can't switch over. Na, like I said, we are human beings. It's not a machine. We switched off and switched on. Can't happen. So it's still fine. Whatever happens, physically you're sitting in one place, on the chair, on the floor, on your cot, anywhere. Close your eyes and just think, I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. I'm breathing in, I'm breathing out. That's it. Let the thoughts come. Thoughts will come. Array, what will happen? That somebody told me this, next I have to do this, yesterday this happened, or something, my head is aching. Any thought, it will come. It will keep on coming. And here I am sitting, I don't know what my children are doing there. All these thoughts come. So
Always,
it's
ma'am.
okay.
Always sorry.
It's okay. That umbilical cord, now it will not be cut. It is actually cut, but we are still connected. Right. So be okay with that and just do it as a physical practice. The mental calmness will come in few days. That is my suggestion. And what you asked, that doubt I have clarified. And about the kid, the younger kid following the elder kid, like you said, your child still listens to you, the elder one. Sit with him and make a routine. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, different routine you make. I think this kid needs variety. So whatever you say, you said he will do for one day.
Yeah,
So
he'll do it,
change
ma'am.
it.
He'll
Change
do
it
it.
every day. Maybe he needs variety. Change it every day and then make him self-scoring stars. You know, he's 5 years old now. Either buy stickers or give him a sketch pen and keep it on a fridge or put it with a fridge magnet on a fridge. One star chart. So whenever he does whatever the thing allotted, either you can mark stars for him or he can only mark the stars. When so many numbers are completed, I'll get you a gift. Don't tell him what that gift is. Let him be a surprise. So when you get 100 stars, I'll give you a gift. So every day, whatever allotted routine, you have spoken to him on Sunday, you have made different routines. It's not the same thing that it bores him. So if you want more ideas for activities, ask in our Zen Moms Club and they'll suggest lot many activities, age-wise, indoor, what you can do. Every day plan this to this time, breakfast, then playtime, then sleep, then play with brother for half an hour, then help me around the house. All things you can give. Then maybe read a book, story book, something you were mentioning about books. We'll come to that question next. That make a routine for him. Once he is controlled, younger child will be controlled. Okay, and kids will be kids. They will scream. Try to control as much as possible by this making these routines. If you control the elder child, younger one will not be much of a
Automatically,
problem
he'll come.
as of now. And screaming, yes, you keep on explaining to him it's not okay. Just imagine if me and daddy start screaming from tomorrow, all neighbors will come running. Do you want that to happen? They think something has happened. You know, when you really feel anything like screaming, some pain or something, you normally we scream. So tell him the difference. A calm person is talking like this in normal voice.
No, even in
He
while talking itself, his voice will be very loud like me. Like
okay,
he replicate me. To be frank, whatever I
okay.
did, only he's getting replicated. I'm able to understand. When he was in home itself, he has made his anger and all.
Okay.
Because of my anger only, everything is
He
getting
has
in.
learned. He has
He
learned.
has learned.
Okay.
Really, ma'am, that I always have it in my mind.
Okay, you start making small changes. I accept you as you are, Julie, and you have also already accepted. Yes, I used to hit, I used to scream. But now that I know, you know, sometimes without knowing we'll be doing, the trigger will be so huge. That is why I don't hold any moms responsible. There may be so many triggers, health problems, something bothering you, and small mistake from the child brings out huge reaction. So just take a pause. For moms, I am telling you, whenever you feel angry, you feel like screaming or hitting the child, few seconds, just stop, then think, then do what you want to do for that situation. Don't bring the old situation. Yesterday he did this, always he is not listening, or mother-in-law is troubling, whatever. So many problems, you know, all sorts of anger comes on the kid because so much is bottled inside. So just handle your emotion, take a pause between the reaction and the incident or the trigger, and gradually you try the patience challenge also I've given you. You can start again. The 3 days patient challenge I've given the in the moms club. So day one, day two, day three, you can practice that. and that will bring you back to your better state of mind when you can control your anger. So past is past. What has happened is happened. Now you will start improving. You have already started, in fact, so you'll build upon that. Sometimes, like you mentioned, consistency not there, so you have to again practice. Keep up the practice. Even whatever sadhana. If you learn to play a piano, keyboard, today you learn, do for 2 months. Okay, then leave it again. Even like I am a painter, when I take the brush once in a way, I can't paint immediately. So that touch will be gone. So whatever you do, even if learning a new language, you have to keep in touch, otherwise you'll forget. So this is also a practice, patience, learning new ways of reacting to the kids' behavior, then better ways of your own anger management, getting better behavior from the children. It is to be day to day, small practices. That is why I suggest moms only small practices. So you said
And
about his screaming
yeah,
some more. I'll tell you. Then we'll go to the next question.
yeah, ma'am.
So you have tried explaining to him. Has his dad tried sitting with him and talking to him?
Yeah, he also sits, ma'am. He also sits. He does everything for them, both of them. It's not like
Okay.
me. He sits. He don't get anger much. Now
Okay.
he himself is getting anger because of the
Oh.
way they are doing it. I don't know
Okay.
how
Okay.
to come
Can
out
you
of it
keep
because
them separate? Can you keep them separate? Put this kid into a craft activity, or like I said, online dance class at least 1 hour a day. Only this elder kid will be going to that.
yeah, that only I'm making him to do it. My sister is a teacher, so I'm making her to take a class for him, Tamil
Best,
classes and all.
best.
So
Okay,
I'm
okay,
making him to do it. But at that moment, they're apart, like they are keeping quiet. Everything is happening. But
okay, okay.
again they start like whenever they are free. No, they don't let it be like to be calm. They always do fightings, screams, all lot of things they are doing it, ma'am. The home
Okay.
house will be, if you see my house, it will be full of toys only. All they're
Oh,
throwing the toys, ma'am. I don't know for what. We buy all the toys what they wanted. Nowadays, they're throwing each other and they're hitting each other, ma'am.
oh,
The same habit is coming to my neighbor kid also. He's also, they're going there and doing the same thing. That smaller young boy also is doing the same. He's also
mm,
throwing the toys and they're hitting each
mm,
other. So this and all, when I see, I get so irritated, like seeing why these kids are doing whatever they ask, we are getting for them, ma'am. Whatever
mm.
they ask, no, my husband gets for them. He don't say no
So
to
what
them.
is the punishment you are giving?
No, I say politely, don't do that. If you're hitting, it'll hit you only. It's not going, it'll hurt you and you'll get the full
Why
pain.
don't you withdraw the toys? Okay, 2 hours I'll not give you toys anyway. You're throwing and hitting.
I put it in the box and keep, and again they come, they make it, they will put all the toys down. Same things happening. We used to take and keep, and they used to put it down. They're making like
Maybe
that.
lock the toys in the room and tell them till you
We
agree to
have
play
one full box
properly.
of toys locked already, ma'am. Apart from that, we have lot of toys here.
Okay,
Already we
okay,
kept a box. We don't have place also to keep his toys in the
okay,
hall. Like that
okay.
day we are buying, and but nowadays I don't know. This guy only is teaching my younger one. They're throwing the building sets. We get them the building sets, right? To build a house or something like that. We got the toys. That and all they're throwing and playing now.
This elder child is just
Recently it's
attention seeking.
happening.
All the time he is attention
He
seeking.
wants to make him get attention, ma'am. That is the only issue I have it now, ma'am.
Like
I
I
used
said,
to
lot
sit
of
and cry. I
reassurance.
used to pray for him. I am
No, no,
doing
I
everything,
understand.
whatever I can do for him.
I
Because I'm
understand.
seeing a lot of people out, but I'm not able to see my guy is doing like this.
I
I
understand.
feel
I
really
understand.
emotional. I often get emotional because of him in
I
house.
understand. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Because my mother-in-law and all used to tell lot of thing about my this guy, elder son. I get so irritated. That's the
Mm,
reason there is no understanding between me and my mother-in-law. Because of her only, I lost my job also. She all of a
mm,
sudden left and went, and there was no one to take care of my kids.
I
So that
understand.
itself has my mental. I don't have that. My mind is so disturbed now because of that.
Okay.
So this and all is getting me also disturbed. And nowadays I get a lot of fear also in my mind. I'm not in
Mm,
the position to come out of it.
mm.
I
Okay.
lose
Don't worry,
patience.
Julie. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, there are ups and lives in life. I have also faced it many years ago. So many
Because
difficulties
I
are
felt my
there.
career was my thing, ma'am. Even kids are there, parents are there to take care. I was thinking when I was working, when I
Mm,
left my job, all
mm,
my things are changed. So I really feel because 10 years
right.
of my job,
Mm,
I feel I'm idle, sitting idle in
mm,
the house. Though I
mm,
take care of my kids, everything I do it, but
right.
inner feel says that I'm lacking. I tried for
Mm,
online jobs and all, but nothing is working out for me now.
This is
So I
difficult
feel
times
very
now.
disturbance. In this way
Right.
also I'm disturbance, and my kids also have disturbance. Since my husband
Mm.
is really helpful, I am really surviving. To be frank, I thank God for
Yeah,
that one side.
really,
God has
yeah.
given me a good husband. I
Mm.
always,
Yeah, I understand. See, you're not just a mom, you're a person. And this
yeah,
whole feeling, what you're saying now, you were so busy working, you had, your freedom, you were really, adding to the family. We ladies feel guilty if we are not contributing to the family, also
yeah,
we feel
yeah, that's
guilty.
true.
I was bringing money to the family, now I'm idle, and what is happening? I'm not even able to control my kids. Neither am a good mom, and I left the career for the sake of the kids. This is what other moms tell me. So I understand what you're saying.
And my
So let
mental thing is that I don't have that mind to talk to my mother-in-law even through phone nowadays, because that anger is always. I pray to
anger.
God that I should not get that, because I should treat her also as my mother only. I
Yeah,
always treat like that only from the from the marriage day. I'm treating like, but the way
right.
she thinks is different. But let it be. But
Correct.
I have to take up whatever the thing. I have to take the challenge, right? So I'm
Yeah.
going like that.
I understand the pent up emotions. Let me offer you, we'll take a one healing session I'll give you. So because I am a healer, I understand Julie what you say now. The emotions are so much there that you cannot forget it. So this is what maybe you mentioned even when I sit for meditation, lot of thoughts come up. So
Yeah,
let
that's
us,
true.
let us bring it out and heal them. So there's a different
Even the
modality.
consistency, I'm not doing it, ma'am. One day I
Consistency.
do it, I next
Mm.
day I'm not in the position to do that. For example,
Mm-hmm.
even if I go for a walk, next day I don't. So
Correct.
for me itself, if the consistency is not that, how can I teach my kids? I
I
feel that
agree.
guiltiness in myself.
I agree. I agree. Okay. Don't worry. Don't worry. See, that is why, you start something very small. There is a lot of things you mentioned, everything together. I understood. I understood what position you are in. But let us take a step. I'm with you. By the way, I want to assure you, you are with me. We are meeting every week in the Zen Mom Club. So don't worry. And I'll suggest to you what exactly you need to do for this your own anger emotion. So let me give you a healing session. A lot of emotions have to come out and you have to heal it. So, and simple practices also I'll suggest related to healing. It is not
Sure,
exactly of parenting. So this
sure.
is what I always think. Mom is not just a mom. If I solve your parenting issues, no, it will not help, because there are so many other issues which you need. You need some support and guidance.
Yeah.
So coming to kids noise. So you have tried everything. Your husband has also spoken to him. Okay.
Yeah.
So who knows? There may be a budding singer or something. Voice maybe is asset. Okay. So on a lighter note. So you have told your son. So logically you explain to him. With 5-year-old kid, he listens to you,
Yeah,
but
ma'am.
you say he is not following consistently.
Yeah, he don't.
And tell him, every now and then, tell him the story of other boy who was screaming, and so other people were disturbed. So it is not like directly accusing him. Tell him in a some other way. In my village, there's a boy. You can just make some imaginary character. So sometimes, all the time, he is well behaved. Tell a lot of good
Very poor
qualities.
in storytelling, ma'am. Me, very poor in storytelling. So
Now
I
you're
don't tell
listening
any
now,
story.
5, 6 sentences you tell, he'll get the message. You
Yeah,
ask
that's
him, you start the story and ask him to build up. You tell him, see what happens. You ask him questions. If you are not good in storytelling, ask him questions. What will happen if you scream for 1 hour? What do you think will happen? He'll think nothing. Then see, if you scream for 1 hour, ear damage will happen. Then it will pain, then it will become dry. So in his own language, you just tell him, ask him questions. When you can talk, why should you scream? What is the need of screaming?
that's
So
true.
various questions around screaming, keep on asking him. He will answer. Then he will arrive at the logic. Yeah, yes, why am I screaming? So because in my free webinar also I tell children do not know how to express. They want to express something they do not know. So something else he wants to tell you is simply screaming without knowing why. So just ask him questions. Why are you screaming? What will happen if you scream for 1 hour? Why can't you say the same thing by talking? What do you want to communicate by screaming? Is it fun for you? Don't you have any other ways of fun? So let me give some ideas. So tell me what are the alternatives of fun. If you throw the toy, it will break. But definitely you should have fun. I agree with your idea. That playing means fun. But for him, playing has become throwing the toys.
Throwing.
Instead of throwing the toys, you can actually catch the toy. Do you know that?
Okay.
Ask your brother to throw from near distance and you catch it. That can become a game. Or if you really want to throw, let me buy you some, small plastic balls which do not hit when you throw also. Then give them dart board. That is for throwing. Be careful with the children. It's quite sharp, not
Sharp. Yeah.
plastic darts you buy. If you really want to throw the things which are supposed to be thrown. Instead, you should try catching. Catching challenges in catching, not throwing, you tell him.
Okay.
Actually, we moms think kids are small, 5-year-old, what he'll understand if I tell. So this is one more thing I advise all the moms add 5 years to their age because they are so mature, these kids, they are so smart. And you said, see, we were not like that in our childhood. No, these kids are different.
Different.
They
You're
are
right, ma'am.
so different. They are so smart. So you have to treat him like a 10-year-old. Give him logic, give him reasoning, and some tricks also chalega for kids below 8 years. They'll listen to some tricks. So you have to act in front of them. My head is aching. Go and lie down and don't get up even if it is dinner time. Give them the shock treatment, na? Then let your husband come and ask you what is happening. Tell him kids were screaming. I got huge headache. I can't even get up from the bed. Let them feel guilty. Yeah, they really did scream. So mom is disturbed now. Even your emotions you are not expressing. You tell them, I don't know. If I don't talk to my friend at this time, something important I will lose because you're disturbing me during phone call. Do you want mommy to get hurt? Do you want mommy to lose something because she can't talk to her? Something important is happening because of you. I'm not able to talk to her. I feel very sad. Express your emotions. Instead of blaming, you are not letting me talk over phone. Tell him, I am feeling sad. I am feeling hurt by your behavior. My head is aching. I am not able to cook.
Sure.
Express your feelings. Give them shock treatment. Keep away the toys. Lock the toys in a room. 2 hours, I'll not give you the toys if you are throwing. If you agree not to throw, I'll give you the toys. Keep the toys in a room and lock the room. Na? 2 hours karke dekhe, that will be like shock treatment. Don't try it too much, otherwise they'll get used to it. It should be real last level of punishment.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure, ma'am.
Don't worry, I'm there. Your
Sure, ma'am.
emotions, you will be made, you will get the strength to handle your emotions.
Sure.
Emotions will be there. We are all human beings. We are people. We'll have
Yeah, ma'am.
emotion.
That's
Up
true.
and down. Happiness is also emotion. Anger is also emotion.
Yeah,
Too
always
much happiness is also not good.
good.
I mean, we'll balance
That's
everything. No worries.
yeah.
No worries. Yeah.
Even, ma'am, one question, like too much of praising the kid is good for them, ma'am. Even if you praise a kid, if we are
Hmm.
praising too much also, is it good for a kid?
What he really does, recognition and praising is good. Na, they'll increase that behavior. Not exaggerating like, but what they actually do, praise, nothing stops you like. At the same time, let me share with you, there's a very good question. Sometimes, kids are not prepared for failure because they are getting appreciation from all the people around them, and nowadays as parents we also feel we should appreciate a lot. So if they are wrong, tell them that also. See, beta, you could have done this in a different way.
Different.
Okay, otherwise they'll think whatever I do is right. But your kid is definitely important seeking. So give them 80% appreciation, and for 20% criticism, you use the sandwich technique, which I've told you, you know that one positive point followed by the whatever you want to criticize or point out as a negative behavior, followed by another positive factor. For
Okay.
example, today you have not studied at all. So tell them yesterday you came on time and you studied very well. But today I'm calling you and you are not coming. I'm very angry about that. Then tell them generally you are a well behaved kid. Normally you listen to me, you're a good boy. So what happened? It is sandwiched in between two positive factors. So kid will get the message, but it will not seem so negative. So whatever, whenever you have to point out, appreciate. Of course, appreciation is needed for whatever good things we do. Even as adults, we also need that appreciation, acknowledgement from others. However good we are, we need others to tell us,
We
you're good
expect
enough.
them. Yeah, right.
So nothing bad if they're really doing something good. You only told me my kid is very intelligent. He helps around the house. Even for that day, whole day you appreciate. Next day when he is not doing, yesterday you did such very great job. You helped me so much. So today you are not helping me. I am really upset about it. And then tell him normally you have very good manners. I always tell all my friends my son is very good. Exactly this you can use.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay.
One more thing, ma'am. Like the junk foods, ma'am. Junk
Ah.
foods always is, we know it's very, very harmful for the health. But my
Correct.
guys both likes to have the junk foods only, always, like chips, like biscuits, and
Hmm.
the intake of food is lesser, but they take
Oh,
lot of
because
junk
of
foods.
junk.
So I'm
Okay.
not able to control them. Even my dad always brings and keep, because he also has to have junk foods while working. He has to have something. He
Hmm.
himself feeds for, because he also get tired, right?
Got
So
it.
he
Got
buy
it.
and keep
Hmm.
it in the house. So they
Hmm.
always have this junk food time for them.
Hmm.
So
Hmm.
they're not skipping this. Always they go for this
Okay.
junk food, and their intaking of the foods are very low.
Okay.
So I don't think they get good calories, because with the junk food they don't get any calories. And my younger one,
Right. Right.
he
Hmm.
hates fruits. He don't take fruits at all.
Oh.
Only
Okay.
banana he takes. He don't take any other fruits if he give.
Okay.
Like
What
this, it's
about fruit juice? At least fruit juice.
juice and all he don't take, ma'am. He like to have only hot something, like not
Uh-huh.
chillness and all. He don't like, my younger one.
Okay.
My elder takes fruits and all. He eats some. If we give, he will eat.
Hmm.
If he likes, he will eat. But younger one,
Hmm.
he doesn't like fruits at all.
Hmm.
So he's escaping. So the how to avoid this junk foods, ma'am? Like what I can.
Yeah, I'll tell you. Okay. Main thing is not to bring them in the house is the best, but you already mentioned husband
Yeah,
also need it. In junk money, you mean snacks. Everyone needs snacks.
yeah,
So
yeah,
why don't you switch over to healthy snacks? Let me share the examples. This peanut chicky is there, peanut chicky.
yeah.
You
He
know, that
brings
is,
that.
of
He
course, it
eats.
has sugar that
He
comes
eats.
with jaggery also.
Jaggery. Yeah, yeah.
Bring that
They
one.
eat.
You can give it to kids, yeah. They are growing
Okay.
up kids. Nothing stops you.
Okay.
Dry fruits, barfi
Yeah,
or
he eats
nuts. Nuts.
dry nuts. Dry nuts they eat.
Give them that. That is
Black grapes and
nutrition.
all they
We are
give it.
talking about nutrition, not whether they should eat regular food or snacks. Nutritious snacks, evening time, every day, allow them. They are so
Okay.
much jumping, hopping, so they need that more calories also, more nutrition also. Replace all snacks with healthy snacks. Whatever you are buying home, don't buy chips. Okay,
Okay.
don't buy chips. There are healthy options like puffed rice. We make that laddu out of puffed rice. And this jaggery wala sweets. You make one kheer one day. Let your husband
I
also
prepare and
see.
give them. I prepare and give them
Changes will
all
come
these
for the
things.
whole family. Tell your hubby today no chips. I'll make some pie, some kheer with the jaggery. You all can have it, or some laddu or barfi
Okay.
with lot of dry fruit. Using fruits also you can be innovative. Make it a fruit salad. Let them have small quantity. Start with small quantity. Okay, itna sa kalo, you can actually bribe them. You have so much, then I'll give you that junk food,
Okay.
whatever. But switch over to gradually switch over. Suddenly it may not happen. Chips may be their favorite. All kids love chips. I don't know why they love chips or
Yeah, ma'am.
pizza
The
or ice
crispiness
cream.
and the thing they
Ah,
feel
they
eating that
love
crunchy
that.
things.
So give them once in a way, maybe weekly once, itna sa quantity. That day you tell them you have this much fruit, then they'll give you chips.
Okay.
And mainly ask your husband to switch over to healthy snacks. And cut vegetables, make colorful vegetable sticks and give them with cheese dip or dahi ka dip, curd dip you can make. So it will seem like some kind of fun for them. That
They
colorful
are all
vegetables
very
with that
tasty
dip.
guys, ma'am. They need all tasty foods. The
Tasty food. Okay,
all
okay.
tasty
Involve
foods
them in
only involved.
cooking. Involve them. Involve the elder one in cooking. And what
He
he
comes
makes, he
inside
will.
the kitchen, ma'am, but I'm worried because the kitchen height is very like its height is
Not
there, no, so
exactly
they
in
won't able to.
cooking. Not
Yeah, yeah, I
exactly in cooking
understand.
in
Like
front of
some
the stove.
cutting or something.
Other
Mm.
cutting, bring the vegetables, then arrange for salad. You can cut different color vegetables, arrange in a plate. Or making
Okay.
that curd dip, I don't know, add the masala and mix the curd. Those things you can give. One day make a cold sandwich. He can help in making the cold sandwich, and all of you can have for breakfast or evening snack time. Sandwich is also good. So make a list of all healthy snacks. Ask in our Zen Moms Club. They'll give you more than 100 moms are there.
Yeah,
So what I feel now, I can give, if not 5, 10 solutions I can give.
yeah,
But there
that's
are 100 moms, and some mom has 5-year-old kid and some mom has older kids. So
younger.
they'll be able to relate to this and suggest you. And moms who have older kids, they will have had their own experience, so they'll suggest you. So
Sure,
definitely
ma'am.
we have a gold mine with us. So seek their help in healthy snack ideas. So what question you ask will help other moms
Yeah,
also.
ma'am. Thanks a lot for hearing me and giving so much
Welcome,
patient answers. Thanks a lot,
welcome.
ma'am.
Thank you so much. Wonderful questions, because so
Yeah,
many answers what I gave will apply to other moms. And very
sure.
frankly, you have shared. Thank you for that. And everyone, please watch the recording and please join my free webinar. no more yelling. That's how me and Julie met, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
So now
You're
we
right.
are lifelong friends.
Yeah, ma'am. Thanks a lot, ma'am.
Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Bye, dear. Thank you.
Yeah, ma'am. Nice meeting you too.
Okay.
Bye, ma'am.